Nestled in the heart of Papeete, Hotel Kon Tiki stands as a beacon of Polynesian hospitality. Since its inception in 1974 and a grand renovation in 2022, this three-star boutique hotel has been a fusion of modernity and traditional Polynesian flair, offering guests a unique and charming experience. With a variety of room styles, Hotel Kon Tiki caters to every traveler's needs. The innovative pod hotel units, inspired by boat cabins, are perfect for short stays, providing comfort and advanced technology in a compact space. For those on longer business trips, rooms equipped with kitchens offer the convenience of home. The hotel's strategic location in the city center of Papeete places guests within walking distance of the seafront, vibrant markets, shopping centers, and the city's nightlife. Just 15 minutes from the airport, Hotel Kon Tiki ensures your adventure begins almost as soon as you land. Indulge in Polynesian, French, and international cuisine at the Wave restaurant, where 135 seats await with stunning views of Tahiti's port and Moorea. Sourcing most food products from local producers, the restaurant promises fresh and delightful meals from breakfast to dinner. As the sun dips below the horizon, ascend to the reef bar atop the hotel. In this lounge setting, sip on tropical cocktails and savor snacks while soaking in the exotic atmosphere. From the humble Polynesian cabin with shared sanitary facilities to the luxurious ocean view Tahitian connecting home, each accommodation is thoughtfully equipped with modern amenities like smart TVs, high-speed Wi-Fi, and air conditioning. The Tahitian home categories even boast modern kitchens and ocean views, ensuring a stay that's as comfortable as it is memorable. Hotel Kon Tiki is dedicated to sustainable development, adopting eco-responsible practices that reflect a commitment to preserving the beauty of Polynesia for generations to come. While the hotel does not offer conferencing rooms or children's facilities, it does provide free Wi-Fi and accepts a range of credit cards for your convenience. Please note that information is subject to change, ensuring that Hotel Kon Tiki remains at the forefront of hospitality excellence. Embark on a journey to Hotel Kon Tiki in Tahiti, where modern comforts meet the spirit of Polynesia, and every stay is an unforgettable chapter in your travel story. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.